Hello, so today we are going to see types of SQL statements. So when we talk about types of SQL statements, the first one in the type is called as DDL, that means data definition language. Now when we talk about data definition language, what exactly are the commands or statements, SQL statements that can be written through them? So one is the create, alter, drop and truncate. So these are the SQL statements that we'll learn under the type DDL, data definition language. Now the next type is called as the DML. Now when we talk about DML, what are we talking about? So we would learn something that is called as insert statement, insert, update and delete. Next, we will understand the third type that is called as the DQL, that is the data query language. Now when we talk about data query language, we have commands like select, show and help. So these are the different DQLs that are available. Apart from this, there is the next, which is called as the DCL, that is the data control language, which would have something which is like grant and revoke. Now we will start first with DDL. So we are going to understand what exactly DDL is.